Hey everyone! Imagine hearing a celebrity say, "I never recorded this." Wild, right? Well, that's the power of Elevenlabs voice cloning AI. In 2025, it's not just legal, it's revolutionary. And I'm here to show you how to use it ethically and effectively. Content creators, listen up. Ever felt your voice giving out after long recording sessions? Voice fatigue is real, and it's a pain. But guess what? AI doesn't get tired. Elevenlabs saves creators up to 17 hours a week. Let me show you how. Alright, step 1. Voice cloning. Upload a 30-second audio sample of your voice. Watch as the AI analyzes and clones it perfectly. Pro tip: record this phrase for best results. And remember, never share your full voice clone publicly. Keep it secure. Now let's talk emotions. This 2025 feature is a game changer. Toggle the sarcasm slider and boom, your voice sounds human-like with all the tone shifts needed. Perfect for explainer videos and adding that personal touch. Visual of Fiverr gig with earnings displayed. Monetization time. I make $37 per custom voice clone. And you can too. Here's my exact service listing template on Fiverr. It's easy money and a great way to leverage this tech. Ready to give it a try? Use my link to try Elevenlabs for free. And hey, comment voice below for my ethical use checklist. That's all for today. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more futuristic tech tips. See you next time.